We all want to find shortcuts or cheat codes to becoming rich and successful. And after researching many of the super wealthy, as expected, I found they all have highly driven entrepreneurial mindsets, which gives them the self-belief to keep pushing forward, even in the face of overwhelming odds. But in my experience, very few of us are natural-born entrepreneurs. It's something you either have or you don't. So the question is, can you develop this mindset? Is there a cheat code to becoming rich? And I think the answer is yes. I've personally met a huge number of self-made millionaires in recent years, and I've started to see a pattern, something that they did before they became rich. So what could the secret to long-term success and wealth be, you ask? Well, they all got fit. I don't just mean they went jogging twice a week. I mean they properly got into fitness and health. Now before you click away, hear me out, as even studies are starting to support this. It's not so much about the fitness itself, but the process and journey that prepares them mentally for what is required to get rich. So let's look at the how and why of this potential cheat code. First off, training hard at the gym and dieting teaches us delayed gratification. This refers to the ability to resist immediate rewards in favor of long-term goals. This trait is often associated with successful people, as it requires a high level of discipline and self-control. We all want the fastest way to a result or outcome. It's human nature. This is why get-rich-quick schemes and Bitcoin are so popular, rather than slower, more traditional, boring wealth-building routes. But when it comes to fitness, we generally know there is no quick way. We know results may come so slowly that we need before and after pictures to actually see the difference. We know it will require effort and time. So when we do finally commit to the process and start to enjoy it, we develop the ability to be patient and delay the need for short-term gain. We trust in the process and know results will compound over time. One example of a successful person who attributes their success to delayed gratification is David Goggins. David is a former Navy SEAL who has completed multiple ultramarathons and has set several endurance records. In his book, Can't Hurt Me, David talks about how his commitment to fitness and his ability to delay gratification has helped him achieve success in other areas of his life. He believes that the discipline and focus required to train for long-distance events have translated into other areas of his life, such as his career and personal relationships. Another example of delayed gratification in action is Warren Buffett. Warren is one of the most successful investors of all time, and he attributes his success to his ability to delay gratification. He famously said, "The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything." Warren is known for his frugal lifestyle, despite being one of the wealthiest people in the world. He believes that delaying gratification and living below your means is essential for long-term success. Getting fit also gives us the ability to do what is hard. Fitness requires a high level of physical and mental endurance, and those who are successful in this area are often able to apply these same principles to other areas of their lives. A major reason entrepreneurs are people who are successful is that they are able to take the hits and failures and keep moving forward, when most people would simply quit. One example of a successful person who attributes their success to their ability to do what is hard is Jocko Willink. Jocko is a retired Navy SEAL and best-selling author. In his book, Extreme Ownership, Jocko talks about how his time in the military taught him the importance of embracing difficulty and doing what is hard. He believes that this mindset has helped him achieve success in his personal and professional life, and he now uses his experience to help others develop the same mentality. Finally, one of the main reasons that fit people are believed to be more successful is because of their commitment and will to stick to a long-term plan. Fitness requires a high level of dedication and commitment, and those who are successful in this area often have the ability to apply these same principles to other areas of their lives. Making money isn't always glamorous. In fact, until you can pay people, it's normally about doing mundane tasks come rain or shine. It involves commitment and dedication, as well as the will to say no to friends and work late instead. You have to put in the work if you want the results. One example of a successful person who attributes their success to their commitment and will to stick to a long-term plan is Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Dwayne is a former professional wrestler turned Hollywood actor, who is now one of the highest-paid actors in the world. He is known for his impressive physique and dedication to fitness. Dwayne has talked about how his commitment to fitness has helped him achieve success in his career. He believes that the discipline and focus required to maintain a rigorous fitness routine have translated into other areas of his life, such as his acting career and personal relationships. Now, while we could never 100% say fitness is the silver bullet to success and money, there does seem to be an overwhelming number of self-made millionaires who got fit and then leveraged that focus to make things happen. Ultimately, it's about having a strong and focused mindset that will hold strong in tough times. If you can gain that mindset in the gym, then it's logical to assume it will bleed over into other areas of your life. But what do you think? Are fit people more successful? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.